What's up, what's up, what's up? Alright, let's turn the music down for a second. Alright, what's up, y'all? Something a little different for you. What do we got today? Well, we got some live ass trading, man. Hope y'all are ready. I got the screen set up. It keeps popping on and off, but I mean, we'll be alright. We'll be alright. It's a little tricky to keep going, but I think I got it about figured out here. I just got to work the mouses back and forth. Using two mouses is a little tricky, but it's alright. Let me get this pulled up real quick for you, and then we'll get going here. Yeah, last night we lost internet. Whatever, bro. Nothing I could do about it. Nothing I could do. Oh, now it's going to tell me it can't connect. What the hell, man? I just had it running. All right, so let's get the right setup set up here. That sounded stupid. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. What's up, everybody? What's up, Kelly? Hey, yeah, last night internet dropped out. Couldn't do nothing about it. Then I got an email about 5 or 10 minutes after my internet went out saying, oh, yeah, by the way, meant to tell you, we're doing maintenance in your area, so there won't be any internet right now. I'm like, what kind of bull crap is that? So they let me down pretty hard on that one. Nothing I could do, so let me get this thing pulled back up and let's see if we can get it connected again. There we go. So maybe we just leave the laptop in the lap. How about that? Alright, so I'll get the chart pulled up here. We got the streaming stuff set up. Looks like it's going to be as good as it needs to be. What's up, Lemons? What's up, Todd? What's up? Hey, what's up, Todd? Good to see you. Oh, yeah, bro. It's all good, Kelly. That one person dislikes every video. No matter what I do, there's one person that dislikes everything. Dude, yeah, we shot for private islands to about 2:30, like Nick said. It was fun, man. We were private island shopping. I had a good time with it. All right, so I've got a little long run in here. I've got the. Damn it, it's very touchy. I've got the Binance screen set up over here on the right. I've got our charts on the left. And the way it works is simply, I just had to mirror screens. It took me a minute to figure out, but I got it. So I got two mice instead of one mouse. We're going to see how this does today. I got 1 minute and 5 minute charts. I'm going to try to run them back and forth and see how we do. Every time I click on this thing, it starts to stutter on me, so it's a little whack. Let's see if I can change the settings here on how it creates how it stays. Maybe we do gaming, because if it's going to keep clipping out every single time I push a button, that's annoying as hell. You know what I mean? But whatever. There we go. Either way, you see I've got this long running right here, and the reason I opened this long right here, I can't see the comments right now, so I'm sorry. We'll do the best we can with it. I want to see how we do on 5 minute charts and 1 minute charts, all the way up to 15 minute charts. This is how I swing trade throughout the day when I'm at work and I have some free time. And it clipped back off again. Right there. Let's say, watch it say it can't connect. So frustrating. Either way, we saw some movement today, and it came off the bottom a little bit. I thought, you know, by looking at things that Bitcoin was going to keep going down last night when we were watching it. We were watching it pretty much live all night long. I was just keeping an eye open, and I had a short running last night. Short ran for a bit, and there it goes again. Short ran for a bit, and like I'm down about $2 on this trade right now. But short ran for a bit, and I made about $20 or $25 off of it before it went away. By the way, if we look at the daily here, you know, and you put up the 50 moving averages way down here at, oh, that's the CME chart. There we go. The 50 moving average is way down here at the top of this support zone, and it just never quite made it there. So, been waiting on that to happen. Oh my God, this is so frustrating. You wouldn't think it would be this freaking difficult. But it's like it's angry that I'm touching other things on the screen. Oh my God, it's so frustrating. It clips down every single time. Is there some kind of trick that I'm missing there? Hey, what's up? What's up, Dre? What's up, M. Dot? Yeah, that same person dislikes everything. There's nothing I can do about it, twat. It's cool. You don't have to be that guy, but you are. Oh my God, it's so frustrating. Why does it keep doing it? I don't know. I don't know. But I'm up right now, so it would be nice to show it. I tried duplicate instead of screen only. So let's see if that helps. And let's unpin that. Yeah, I'm up 6 right now on this. Nope, still pops down every time. I'll just keep flicking it back and forth. How about that? That's what she said, I know. We can move this over here, though, if it's going to do that. Because I like that better over there anyway. There we go. I can flip back and forth between the comments. How about that? So, get back to my to my long here. There. Yeah, $1.79 down at the moment. What's up, Lemons? Dislike still counts as engagement. Stupid Nick. Oh, Lord. Alright, so I'm up 22 cents. I'm going to let it run a little bit here. I saw the fibs pull out right here, a decent number. And I thought, hey, you know what? I bet this thing can get moving here. I'm going to try using the Bollinger Bands a little bit today. Stupid shit, man. It says something about protected content or whatever, but it's not protected content. It's my content. 'Tis mine. How be it protected if it's my content, man? All right. All right, there. So, right now I'm coming back down under my buy line here a little bit. I've only got a minimal size trade open. It's only about $50, not very much. So I didn't want to go crazy with it. And I think that's kind of how you get wrecked, is when you do too much too quick. I saw this fib set right here forming just a couple minutes ago, so I already had this open. But this, you know, broken 786, 886 right here Went up and hit 1272, so I took a little bit of profits already that quickly. Because I don't super trust this shit right now. After looking at the way Bitcoin looks, I kind of got the thinking, hey man, this thing might fail out, and I don't want to trip here, and I want to be super careful. So it says check my settings. Let's see if I can do that. I want to try this. Bitch be projecting though. Man, it works. That's definitely not it. Hey, looky there. There she goes. Alright, keep going. Popped up there on the 5 minute. Let's see if we can get it to run on up here a little bit. I'm going to take some profit at 44.30 right here. Because that's the 1618. Let's look over at the 15 minute real quick and see how that shakes out. Look right there at the 1272. I got the 100 moving average on the 15 minute right here. So it may hit it and fall back. MACD's got plenty of room to go up. So I'll leave that be for the time being. Go on, dog. There's a squirrel outside. She's super excited. Fucking squirrels, man. Dogs get so lit over squirrels. Bollinger Bands are also right here, so I need to be mindful of that. As long as it can stay over the 21 here and over the 8, I'm cool with it. I'll let it ride here. What's up, Danny? WTC moving. Directions unclear. She said stop flicking it back and forth. I'll keep this screen down here off, and the reason is I'll just use it. I'll just pop it up every once in a while when we need to look at our trade, because that's gonna be the easiest thing for me to do. Another odd candle forming here, still dancing around. What does 1 minute look like? Yeah, see, 1 minute's got all kind of shit going on here. The bands are getting tight on the 1 minute. It's kind of showing me that it wants to pull down. Yeah, there it goes. Now it's back under the 8, so it's getting twitchy up here up top. As long as we're over the 8, I'm okay with it. Alright. I stayed up pretty late last night, so I slept in just a little bit. I don't really have breakfast, so I got some Doritos here, because it's the breakfast of champions, right? Alright. What does like the hourly look like? Hitting the 21? Oh, the hour just started. Okay, yeah, let's give it a minute here. Every time a new hour starts, you get this twitchy shit happening, so it's all good. And give her a little time here. Give her a little time here. Alright. There it goes. Turning back in the green here. Now if this holds up, and we're looking at the hourly chart, then we have a chance to run up here to the top of the Bollinger Bands at 45. What's up? Do you think BTC's... No, I don't really, Kelly. I think it's probably going down to 41. But I can't be positive on that. That's just a low, an estimated low that I see. Alright, I'm back up in the green here. This is the way it's just going to do. I mean, it's super twitchy at the moment. But I caught a good trade here. So, the way I based this one was, we'll pull the Binance chart back up here. If it'll connect. There we go. Well, it was up. Then it said, nah, ho. Go to our 5 minute. I saw all these moving averages bunched up here at one time. All these moving averages were crunched up in one spot. Look at her go. That's what I like to see. There we go. Binance lagging out just a little bit here. There we go. I'm up $90 here. Alright, see, it came up to a good profit line and stopped. Let's look at our hourly chart here. Again, this could continue to go all the way up here to this next moving average, so let me pull this off and watch a little closer here, because once your fibs get invalidated on a low time frame, you need to go up to a higher time frame. Just the way it works. So I'll pull this here on this larger time frame. We see we're breaking the 50 and the 618 at 45.3. 45.3 looks like a good spot where it may get hit. Okay. So let me show you here on the trading app that I got pulled up. We'll look at this a little closer here so everyone can see it. It's doing really well at the moment though. And I'll show you how we take profits on our trades and we get out, because I'm pretty good right now. Well, the thing was, sorry Nick, I was trying my best, man. It was tripping. I couldn't get it to work right, and I was like, well, I got a good spot to get in, and I didn't want to let it pass up. So either way, I showed you how I got my entry. It wasn't anything super fancy about it. Come on, bitch, connect. It's trying. Oh, come on. I'm up 108 at the moment. I hate when it does this. There we go. Alright, so look here. I'm up 129 at the moment. Can you see that? 129, 123. I'm going to put a take profit line of 45.31 in here. So I'm going to go right here. Take profit for stop loss. Take profit or stop loss for entire position. Alright. You see this little pin down here? I'm going to click that. Take profit. I already said 43.51. 0.4351. I'm sorry, 45, not 43. 0.4531. I'm going to set that as a confirm. Alright, I'm not going to do a stop loss yet. I'll show you. Confirm. So now I have a take profit set of 45.31. My buy-in line was 43.38. I'll show you that right here. Right there it says entry 43.38. Now I'm going to set my stop loss right above that. 0.4390. So no matter what, I'm making $3 here. You got it? I just set a stop loss line in the profit. Confirm. No matter what happens here, I'm locked into a winning trade. All right? I'm locked in. I'm up 139 at the moment. 138, 139. Pretty good set right there. Pretty dope. 135. It's floating around right there doing its thing. So it almost looks like a lower time frame is kind of holding it up. Let's see if we can go find which lower time frame it is. All right, not the 30 minute. The 30 minute looks like it's clear to go also. 15 minute looks like it's clear to go up here also. 5 minute, You don't have anything up here, but we do have some tits moves coming in here, okay? So we may get a little bit of a pullback here when these moving averages clear themselves. We talk about this all the time, but when these moving averages clear themselves, they get hung up here. And that's a big, hefty candle up here, right? Well, 1 minute, obviously, she's taking off. There it goes. Come back, touch the 8. That's fine by me. 43.90. I locked my profits in at 43.90, so I'm gonna stick with that and be cool with it. Fine with it. I'm happy about that trade. I made a great profit on it already. Let's give it a second. That's still running. I think it's going to hit our 45 mark, which is up here. Let's do 45.31 as trading view updated, and I don't particularly like it. Take profit. Make that red. All right, so when we hit our red line, we're taking profits, and I'm leaving, and I'm kissing her goodbye. We'll stop that trade, and we'll move on to the next trade, and I'm fine with it. And to show you how fast things move here, I'll pull this up. Man, it says connected. It ain't connected. Trash. Give it a second here. See how fast things made. It was $200 a minute ago. Now it's $125. All right. Up to you to use your better judgment on when you want to stop and start and get in and get out, take your profits or not take your profits. You know, it's up to you. If you look over here in the corner, it tells me that I got 254 I can spend, 125 I'm up. The percentage gain, I'm up 81% on this trade. But that's why I said I wanted to hurry up and get in this trade before anything crazy happened, because I wanted to make sure I locked my money in. I didn't want to miss. Binance is being laggy. There it goes. See how it kind of glitches in and glitches out a little bit? Part of the game, it's okay. It may also come down and check 44.46 here. Why is that? Well, because there's a fib line right there, and it very well could check that fib line and bounce back up some more. And again, there is a tits moving coming right here. The 50 is about to cross the 100 on the 5 minute. And when it does, I expect a little bit of a pullback here. And if it wants to stay above 44.46, I'm cool with it. If it drops way below this 44.46, I might stop it and take whatever profits I got, whether that be $10 or $1,000, and just stop and re-enter so I can lock in some extra profits. Again, I'm already stop lossed in the profits here. I got a stop loss line right here. Okay. Stop loss line in the profits. Not going to complain. Do you think we will see high 20s or low 30s? No. Not right off the top of my head. I don't think so. I think we're going to be locked into around the 40,000 range for at least a little bit, Kelly. I don't see it dipping way below that. I think that's a little bit unrealistic for the time being. If you start thinking that we're going to go way down low every time, you're going to start missing. Best not to miss just based on fear. Not how I trade at all. Again, I've said it 1,000 times, but this shit doesn't scare me. It doesn't bother me at all. I'm not afraid of it. I'm not afraid of the charts coming down any. I'm not afraid of the charts staying up. I'm always just watching and trying to be prepared. Never bothers me if things don't go the way I want them to. Just reconfigure what I'm doing and start over. No sweat. No, Kelly, I do not. I don't think it has anything to do with the big boys. 94% of every trade done in cryptocurrency is done via software. What does that mean? That means that most of the time it ain't got nothing to do with a person doing anything. It's software trades and computers running algorithms. You can't sit back and expect a couple people to drive a $1 trillion market. The Bitcoin's market cap is 1.4 or 1.5 trillion dollars. You cannot tell me that there's a couple people that control that. As soon as they put a buy or a sell order in, what's going to happen? Someone else is going to trigger something somewhere else, and you're going to get the same reaction on another side that looks just as good or just as bad. And you get that same panic and freak out moment, and all of a sudden the computers go in the other direction. And as soon as you lock in that sell, the computer pops in and finds a buy. And it just goes the other direction, and there's nothing you can do about it. And that's what I mean when I say you can't expect a couple people to prop the market up. You just can't. Now look at here. We've got our 50 crossing the 100. The 100 crossing the 200 right here on the 5 minute. Zoom in a little bit right there so you can see it better. Right here. You got that cross. You had one red candle. It bounced right off that fib line I talked about, right off the 50. Let's see if it can stay up here and get to my take profit line. If so, I'm going to be super happy about that. Then we'll go to a higher time frame here and see what's in the future here. Yeah, okay, look, this is not the best. This red line right here is the 4-hour 200 moving average. And it looks like everything's converging right here. All right, I got the midline from the Bollinger Bands coming down, the 21 coming down, the 200 coming across. It looks like everything's going to hit it. We might get some more down here. So right here at 45.31, I'm going to be looking to go in the other direction and short it. Okay? I'll be looking to short that. Do you think... All right, hold on. One word, Coinbase IPO, bots. Price. Absolutely, Kelly, bots. So, Dre, did you hear what the IPO is? It's not a regular IPO anymore, Dre. They changed it, bro. They took the IPO away. It's an IC. It's a direct listing now. It's a direct listing. You'll have no chance now to buy any new shares before it hits the market. Only select people are going to be allowed to get in. Only a select few are allowed to participate. They changed what they were going to do and kind of gave everybody, exactly, they kind of changed what they were going to do and gave everybody a good dicking. There's nothing that you can do about it. They just decided that was what was going to happen. Damn, look at ADA go. I see you, baby doll. I should have hit that heifer. Look at her go. I'm expecting XRP to sit here and do the same thing. And no, I'm not drinking on every damn XRP say, because I'll die if I'm sitting here swing trading. I'm not doing that. Let me add ADA to my list here. I was fooling around with staking last night too. Fooling around getting my CRV stake because I have a bunch of CRV. Yeah, that's what's fucked up, Dre. They took away your chance to be a big dog. They took away your chance. So what's going to happen here is they're going to list this ICO or this IPO. They're going to list it. They're going to put it directly on the market, and all those big assholes that had the big bag that when they first started, the first initial investors, those guys are the ones that are going to ride it up, dump, and they're going to get out. They're going to sell all their shares, and the market's going to come back down on it and retrace. And that's when I'm going to get in. That's when I'm going to get in, and I'm going to buy on the retrace. Why? Because that's what happens to every single chart when an IPO happens, especially a direct listing, when they start isolating the people who are allowed to get in and isolating the people who ain't allowed to get in, which is super shady, super fucking shady. But you don't have a choice. You got to deal with it. So maybe Rug should drink every time I say XRP, 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 XRP. Rug, that sounds like a great idea. My clothes will probably fall off though. Bro, I saw the weightlifting video. Some ladies might like that. Oh, hey, look. Hold on, I'm watching really closely here. I'm at 116. at this mark, it's just super shady, man. You can't, I mean, they're going to do whatever they want to do. Market makers are going to do what they want to do. This is just the way shit works. They're going to put stuff out like this, and they're going to control who's allowed to do what and when they're not allowed to do it. If you think you're a big dog in this, you're wrong. You're not going to fool anybody. You're not going to be overpowering anybody. You are an ant amongst elephants, okay? Nothing you can do about that. Just roll with it. Just embrace the fact that you're an ant. They're going to get their nut before you do, okay? If you think about it like a pack of wolves, you're all the way in the back. You're the omega, okay? You're all the way in the back. And the alphas are going to eat first. And when they get done, you get the crumbs. I saw that Coinbase had a profit of $300 million this year. Or last year, $300 million. The year before, they ran a deficit of 30. All right, so the year before, they were actually allowed to claim losses and not pay any taxes. Just so y'all will understand that, okay? They were allowed to claim losses and not pay anything. Well, this year that just happened, their earnings report said $300 million profit, okay? They did $1 billion worth of work. $1 billion worth of business, Coinbase did. So that's a 300% increase in the previous year. Okay, big shit happened last year. In a down year, big shit happened, okay? So what happens on this year when we had nothing but the market going up? Expect Coinbase to have an even bigger earnings report and an even higher chart. Now, that's going to come down eventually when all these balance sheets clear out and all this other shit. Listen, just understand, I know you say we're alphas. I get that because we're ahead of the game here a little bit. What I mean by we're not the alphas is we're not getting the big piece of chicken out of the bucket, man. We're not getting the big piece of chicken out of the bucket. We're waiting till Pops gets the big piece, and then Mom gets a big piece, older brother gets a piece. We're going to get a leg out of the bucket. You know what I'm saying? And that's fine. I'm going to get a leg. I'm going to eat my chicken leg. And I'm probably going to get some of them tater wedges. But I'm not getting the breast. I'm not getting the big piece of chicken. And I'm fine with that because I'm not a millionaire and I can't swing that kind of money. So it's okay. I'm fine with it. I'm sitting at about 112 right now. Or thigh. I take a thigh. The good flavor's in the thigh, man. Thighs have good flavor. I like the flavor of dark meat, man. Look at WTC. It's trying. Everything's trying to get back over the 8 and the 21. It's just struggling. It's on the struggle bus a little bit. We still haven't had a clear sales. Look, one close, nope. One close, nope. If this closes here, this is just jogging sideways and giving everybody the bird, man. All right. Still letting it play out here. We're going to get up there and hit my profit line, or what we're going to do? I bet it's going to do a little parabolic pennant right here and then jump up, and that's fine if that's what wants to happen. I'm here for it. The 1 minute chart's rolling over a little bit on me, but the bands are pinching in. Look at the bands getting tight here. And yes, I'm going down to the 1 minute because I'm trying to be super precise. Hey, what's up, Sonny? What up, E Ken? You like the thigh too, Robert? Hey, man, listen. The good flavors in the thigh, and I'm cool with it. I don't like mac and cheese, though, man. I'm not a cheese person at all, bro. I know a bunch of people like cheese. I'm just not a cheese guy. I can't do it, man. Y'all can have all the macaroni and cheese. I'll eat the mashed taters and gravy. And here in the South, we call it mashed taters. We don't call it mashed potato. Okay, it's mashed taters with gravy. Y'all remember the good tater wedges that KFC used to have? They ain't got them no more. But they used to have the most bomb-ass tater wedges back in the day, man. So the other day, I actually put it on Facebook, and I was like, hey, man, can somebody tell me where the good tater wedges are? Because KFC took them away and started using them little bitch baby frozen joints. And they weren't any good, man. So I asked somebody straight up, I'm like, where do you get the good tater wedges from? And somebody here told me that there's a gas station not far from me that sells the big ass tater wedges with the skin on them. You know what I'm talking about from back in the day? Oh my God, I miss them things, man. That shit was so bomb back in the day. But apparently somebody around here has them. Look at the 1 minute breaking through right here. Come on. Do your thing, baby. 5 minutes trying to go bullish. Hey, we're going to hit our take profit line here, aren't we? Again, we got take profit down here. Set for... Right here we are. 45.31 is our take profit line. We'll make $200 right there. See that? And could I make more? People ask me all the time, well, how do you know when to get in and how do when to get out? I'm about to make $200 off of 50. Why would you bitch and whine? Just take your money and get out, right? Take your money and leave. Be happy that you got something. People ask me all the time, well, how do you know when to get out? I got plenty of profits. I'm not being greedy here. I'm going to take what I got and I'm going to move on. I'm going to get my money and move on. These South Carolina KFC tater wedges were awesome. Publix. Does Publix have the big tater wedges, Ken? Well, some Publix don't have that shit, though. Man, let me ask Jeremy real quick, bro. My cousin works at Publix. Y'all know Jeremy. He's on here all the time. Whatever you want, she got it. XLM got all the flavors. You're stupid, Ray. Oh, hell, he said XLM got all the flavors. They don't understand that that's a Master P reference, too, for the Ice Cream Man. Mr. Ice Cream Man come out when I was in high school. Mr. Ice Cream Man. Mr. Ice Cream Man. I wish we didn't have copyright bullshit on here, man. We'd play some music. Yes, Publix got them. Bet. Hold up. Let me text Jeremy and ask him why he ain't told me about Publix tater wedges. Why you ain't told me about Publix tater wedges? Look right here. I'm doing it right now. Why you ain't told me about Publix tater wedges? Dude, not complaining, but I went and need to vent, man. Hey, you're right, Jeremy. Hey, Jeremy, I'm live. Get on this fucking live, bro. He said the chicken is fire at Publix, too? Why ain't nobody told me the good shit was at Publix? There you go. There you go, Lemons. Look at that 5-minute pivot break right here. Look at that 5-minute pivot break. Now, I would stay in that longer, but I got all this shit converging. Right here. Look at the convergence that's happening right here, Lemons. And this is why I'm getting out a little earlier. The S2 right here on the 4-hour is right at 45.31, which is right near the 200, which is right near the 21, which is right near the midline of the Bollinger Bands. All this shit's converging right here. So I feel like we're going to fail right here, okay, on the 4-hour. I feel like that's a failure spot. And I want to stop there and catch the ride down because I don't think it's going to bust through all that at one time. I just don't. And the 5-minute pivot is just breaking right here. So if it can hold this, I mean, it could go all the way up here to 46. I don't know, man. I'd rather not risk that. He says, also try the crispy bacon tender sandwich. 1 tender filleted American cheese, 2 pieces of bacon. Bro, why has nobody told me about Publix fire ass food? I feel like I'm left out of the loop, man. This is how you know people don't really care about you, is when they don't tell you where the good food's at. I need to know where the good food is. I find most people can't take their money out optimally. My advice is to have a set plan you can repeat over and over without any emotion involved. You see what Lemons just said? No emotions. No emotions. No emotions. That's the first rule. That's the first rule of my trading. No emotions. Get your shit and leave, man. No emotions. I'm not attached to any of these coins. None. Zero. None. If something looks good, great. Ride it. If it don't look good, I'm out. Whatever. Don't sweat it. I'm only going to trade it if the chart looks good. And hear what he just said. Have a plan before you enter the trade. I saw this before I got on the stream and made this entrance. Okay. I entered this trade before I got on the stream because I saw this and I went, oh shit, it looks like this thing's breaking north. Right now, the 15-minute is fighting the pivot line right here. Let's give it a little bit and see what happens. Is my internet tripping again? It better not be. No, my internet's working, but the Wi-Fi just went out on my fucking laptop. I use pivot points for profit taking levels. That's what Lemons just said. Okay, I have not had that Publix chicken. You need to get there later, Dad. Bro, I'll go to Publix. Don't try me. That is a great exit zone for your trade. See, even at the 15-minute, Lemons, look right here, the 200's right here. It's just my personal preference to stop when it gets to the 200. Even if it breaks the 200, it tends to come back to it. So there's no plus minus there for me to be like, okay, I'll stay in that. Fucking internet went out. What kind of trash? It's the Wi-Fi this time, and it's just my laptop, so I ain't tripping too much. I still got internet over here. Yeah, bro, we're still rocking and rolling over here, man. I'm tripping, dude. How is it no internet and I'm watching this shit move on my screen? There it goes. Bro, it's just wigging out a little bit. It's all good. Before I ever entered this trade, I looked at this and said, okay, where am I going to stop? Where's a good stopping point? The first one was right here at the 100 moving average on the 5-minute or the 15-minute. The first one was this zone. And when I saw it break this zone, I said, okay, sweet. Where's the next one? The next one is the pivot. It's breaking the pivot, so now where's my next one? The next one's 45.31. I saw 45.31 from the very jump, and I said, okay, everything's converging right here on the 1 hour. All of this shit's pointing down right here on the 1 hour. It's likely not going to break all that at one time. And since it's not going to break all that at one time, don't push it. Don't push your luck. Just take your chips and get out. It's struggling a little bit to get over right now. We'll give it some time here. Bro, come on, connect. I want y'all to see this chart. Let's say it's connected. I'm up 126 still. All right. Let's do it again. Let's do duplicate PC screen only. How are you from the south? I didn't know about that Publix chicken. Well, bro, look, man. I ain't perfect. I don't go to a lot of grocery stores, and especially since Corona, man, and people are just weird, dude. So I ain't had a lot of time to go to a grocery store. I haven't been inside of a Walmart in forever. I just do the Walmart pickup. You know what I'm saying? Because the Walmart pickup's easier. I'll just use the Walmart pickup. I feel like y'all are burning me though for not going to get Publix chicken. I feel like, a little bit of a dunce, and that's all right. Y'all can talk shit to me. I'm cool with it. I'll get the burn. Come on, man. Connect, heifer. And Jeremy's talking to me. Hold up. All right. Yeah, yeah, you are right in the money zone. Man, fuck all this typing. Watch this. Publix will deliver. I'm not close to a Publix though. Hey, listen, you're not. I'm on a live stream if you want to get on here, by the way. But yeah, you're not wrong. It's just you're finding a bottom, and the bottom's moving a little bit, and it's in and out, in and out, in and out. I'm doing the same thing you are, so I wouldn't trip too hard about it. But you're close to finding the bottom here. And Bitcoin might hit 41K, and if that's the case, everything may come down a little bit with it. But I mean, I think it's all short term. There we go. Let's see. Bottoms everywhere, though. Publix will deliver. What's up, villain? Hey, where you at? Where you? What area are you in, Kelly? Because we don't got. I have a Publix, but it's like 20 minutes from me, 20 or 25 minutes from me. I got 2 interstates to get to the Publix. I have 2 Ingles within 5 minutes, though. So, and a Walmart too. Oh, I was just in Orlando. Took the kids to Disney World. Man, they were litty. Place was wild. The weather was nice too. Oh, College Park. Okay, yeah, I know what you're talking about. There's quite a few people that that are in the group here that are from Florida, from Orlando. Dustin's down there. Chase is down there. A couple other people. All right, here we go. There we go. Now it's connected. About time, fucking heifer. There you go. 126 is where I'm up right now. At 126 profit. Still got my profit line set. Binance is tripping balls a little bit here. I should be able to use this chart. Let's do 5 minutes. Only thing is, it doesn't have all the good indicators and stuff on it. You can use the Binance little chart up here, though, if you'd like. Not really my thing, though. Let's do the trading view. And you can set it in log mode here, too. There you go. There's your volume. I don't like a volume. For crypto, anyway. Why? Because shit moves too fast for crypto, bro. Log mode. And see, we got a pretty nice cup formation right here. Pretty nice cup. It's trying to get up here and break this pivot line on the 15 minute, but it's struggling just a bit here. Let's pull up some Bollinger Bands. All right. There's some Bollinger Bands. Can we make them a different color? That is super ugly. That's the ugliest Bollinger Bands I've ever seen, though. Upper. How about yellow? Lower. Yellow. Midline. White. White. Okay. Better. Yeah, okay. Let's see if we can say the midline's way down here at 44 still, which is roughly what I've got to over here on TradingView on my left side screen. So you see I got my stop loss right here. The stop loss is actually under the 21. So even if this thing fades down here to the 21 and bounces off, my stop loss is under that. And my take profit's still way up here at 45.31. You can't even see it on the screen right now. It's way up there. See it? There it is, up there. 45.31 up there. All of a sudden, the market sits still. Let's see. Shorts and flip-flops. Let's fucking go. Don't say Corona. YouTube will get you. Bro, you typed it. I have to say it. I'm talking about the beer, though. The Corona beer. With a lime in it. Y'all hit that like button for the professor. Thank you, Ken. What's up, my guy? What's up, Chi-Town, bro? I'm just doing a little day trading. Off work today. Figured I'd do a little day swapping. Market sitting still as hell all of a sudden. Let's go down to a minute chart here. Oh, look at the pinch right here happening. See that? Bouncing off the 50. This is what I'm thinking Bitcoin is going to do on the daily chart. See this? I had a fib line right here, and there's a 50 moving average. This is what I think the Bitcoin chart's going to do on the daily. We're at this point right now. We came down and we hit the 21 and we bounced back up, and it's kind of floating sideways, and the 50 moving average is just lingering right there. I'll show you here. Same thing on the Bitcoin chart, right? The 50 moving average is down here. We're under the 21 but throwing a green candle. And the 50 moving average is just begging you to come down there and get touched. You see the Bollinger Band lower line too right here. Right there, that Bollinger Band lower line. I kind of feel like that's going to creep up here with the 50, and they're going to be in the same spot. We're going to get a wick down, and it's going to pop up off of it. That's why I'm not thinking we're going down here way down in this area. Is that possible? Yes, it is, because you have a pivot line down there, but there's also a pivot line up here at 43. All right, so I'm not going to sit here and panic and think it's going to go real far. There's support at 41 and some change, 40 and some change, whatever you want to call it, 42. However you want to see that support, it's there. All right, back to the XRP here, where we're trading on the 5 minute and the 15 minute and even the 1 minute. Still hanging out over the 8. What's the 1 minute look like? All right, 1 minute broke the 8 and the 21 down to the 50. Let's see if it can get up off of this. If it can get off of this, that'd be great. MACD is swooping down, and it's almost to the midline. Let's see if the 1 minute can reverse up here. And if it can't, I may pull my profits and walk away. Because it could get up there to my number, but it might not. It might not. And if that's the case, that's fine. I'll move on. I'm at $101 right now. Let's see. Beer 30 with the professor. What's up, man? MRH. Bro, I ain't seen you in forever. What's up, dude? You guys mind if an RSR Maxi hangs out here for a lot? Bro, welcome to the club, my guy. I invite anyone and everyone, my friend. Glad to see you, dude. I like it when the old crew gets together, bro. It makes me feel good, man. It gives me like a warm heart. What's up, Eric? DDL bot, right? As long as you can admit you have a problem. That's stupid. Steam Dow shop. Oh yeah, bro. Hey, text me them. Hey, text me them, Chi-Town. What you just put it right there. Text that to me, because my ink pen quit and I'm all wired in right here and I can't get up. Hey, cryptocurrency shop CCS. What's up, guy? Never seen you before. Glad to see you. Where you from? How'd you find out about us? See, a bunch of y'all people have been in the space for a long time, so y'all know each other. So that when y'all see each other on here, y'all get familiar and shit, and it becomes a bond, which is what I like, man. I'm trying to bring people together. I'm not trying to push people apart. What's the best profit management, USDT or USD? Up to you. They're the exact same price, Chi-Town. It's just whether or not you trust Tether or not, and I'm fine with Tether. I don't think it's going anywhere. If it was going somewhere, it would have done it already. I'm fine with it. Come on, man. Quit tripping. Pop the damn screen up here where people can see it. All right, it's failing to hold the 50 there. Oh, cryptocurrency shop CCS, you were banned too? Well, welcome to the club, my friend. This is the banned club. You didn't know about us? This whole club over here has been kicked out and ridiculed, my friend. Now, that being said, I'm trying to work shit out. I'm in the background trying to work shit out, okay? Yeah, I know people don't understand that, but I'm trying. So it looks like we're failing here to get over. So I'm going to take profits. I'm going to take my $100 right here. And I'm going to move on. I'll show you here. When it decides to connect, there we go. Alright. So I'm up $97.49. Alright. We refresh this to make sure. It's going to clip and glitch a little bit here. Trading View, I mean, Binance is struggling a little bit, man. It's struggling a little bit. $78, $79. I'll take it. Close. $78 profit. Let's go. Just like that. Now I started this with $230 in here. I actually moved some money around to make my own token the other night. I took some out of my futures wallet to do it with. In case y'all guys don't know about the Mint Me token that we made, it's pretty damn dope. There you go. Got our own token now, fellas, ladies. Look at that assassin chain, number 3 on Mint Me. Mint Me is a system where you can make your own token, okay? We made our own token. Look at that. Let's fucking go. Anyway, if you'd like to buy some, there's a way to get to it and do buys. So here's our sales sheet. Right now, the sales are at 0.7. EL from R bought some at 0.7 Mint Me. He bought 72 of them. Right here's the sales sheet. We got all kind of sale orders that you can take. You can put your buy order in if you'd like and wait for it to get filled, whatever. Number 3, like I said, 478% increase over what was going on. Pretty damn dope. Makes me feel good. If you'd like to buy some, the way it works is you go to wallet. After you make your account, you go to wallet. You deposit some USDC. You see I got USDC right here, $65 worth. You deposit that. After you deposit, you go to trading. Click on Mint Me USDC right here. This allows you to buy Mint Me. Once you buy Mint Me, you can then buy Assassin Chain. Yes, it's a legit coin. Yes, it's a legit blockchain. I paid for it. It's up and running. It really is cool. It really does work. It's not a joke. It's real stuff, bro. Real shit. All right, so now we're going to look for a new entry. Here's where it gets a little tricky for people and you start wondering how do you do this and how do you do that. I'm looking at coins right now that are all going short a little bit. A lot of stuff's going short all of a sudden, right? ADA with the farthest up. Can it go down more? Yes, it can, but there's multiple things right here in the way. So I'm looking at ADA like that's going to go short. See how high that MACD got? Let's put in the KDJ here. I want to look at that KDJ real quick. All right, see, it already told you to go short back here. The KDJ did. So, same thing for XRP. Looks like we're going to get another chance to get in XRP right here in a second. 1 minute chart's about to cross back. So I'm going to look for another buy over here. Look for another buy over here. $44.38. What we got? I like $44.12. So let's lock that in right here. $44.12. 44.12. See that? I do about that much at 4412, but it may not make it to 4412. Honestly, it's already crossing up. Let's see. Did it give it? Okay, we got it. We're in. Oh, it's an open order. It didn't fill. 4444. That's what we got our order in for, and we're already past that. So we missed it. I mean, might need to redo it. We missed. Did we miss? Did we miss? Did we miss? Fail for me so I can get back in at a lower price. Nope. Don't look like we're going to get it at that price. Let me cancel that one out. When you don't get the price you want, don't get mad. Just find a new one. Confirm. Cancel that order. Find another one. Now that I'm looking at it, it kind of looks like it's going to fail, doesn't it? That 1 minute went really fast, really quickly up. Get off that 1 minute for a second. Yeah, okay. 5 minutes got some. 5 minutes got some more room to come down here. Let's get a buy-in at 44.25. What say you? 44.25. 44.25, and we'll do about 100. All right, 44.25. Or are we going to get 44.25? KDJ's turning up on the 5 minute now. I don't know. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Bro, it's thinking about it, isn't it? Let's see. Glad I met them. Oh, let's see. Let's see. I want to get back over here, bro. I have too many questions for him. Let's get this shit, bro. I've got a ton of questions too, and I got left out in the open. But I'm a nobody, and I understand that, so I'm not going to stress on it. Glad I met him. To even have Chris, a good guy. Yeah, I mean he's a good dude. That's the problem, man. I think he's a good guy. I think he just gets caught up. I think he just gets in his own way sometimes, and he gets in his own head. Okay, and that's okay. We all do that sometimes. Some Haskell and get you some. The land of misfit toys. That's us, bro. I was wondering what happened to Sonny Black. Oh, bro, Sonny's been in the group. Sonny's still out here balling. He's been on the Zoom with us too and stuff. Oh, a cryptocurrency shop CCS. What's your Telegram name and stuff? If I hang out with you on a Telegram before, I don't remember. Yeah, I kept my IOST. Are you shorting or longing with your trades? I'm doing both, Eric. When you short, do you have the coins you short versus naked? No, I always use a little bit of indicators. That's just the way I am. I like to have a little bit of indicators pulled up all the time. That's just the way I am. I like to have some indicators pulled up. Everybody's different. Some people like a naked chart, and that's fine. I can see the price action too. I'm not stupid. It's just that I don't like to leave myself out in the open. I like to make sure I have my bases covered, and I want to make sure that I've 44.25. Man, I don't know. Can you hold up on 44.25? Well, doesn't look like it wants to fail, does it? I don't believe you yet. I don't buy it yet. I'm not going to buy that until that 821 crosses up. And it's not crossed up yet on the 1 minute. Got this shit right in the way right here. And look, there it goes. Come back on down some. And give me a better buy. $44.25. I still like $44.25. Let's lock $44.25 in. All right. done. So let's move our buy line up here to 44.25, where I just put a trade in it. Stop loss for now will be under here because I don't have one set yet. And our take profit lines, are they still going to be the same? Yeah, I'm going to leave the same 45.30 take profit. Same 45.30 take profit. I can change that later if I'd like, but we need to break this pivot line first, and it hasn't broken it. Bear in mind the next pivot line is way down here at 42 cents. So that's a lot of shit in the way for it to get through first. I don't see that happening just yet. Could do it. We'll see. Back up under the 8 and 21 here. On the 1 minute, it's failed again. Kind of fading in and out, trying to figure out what it wants to do. MIC3, I don't remember it, bro. I don't use Twitter, dude. I quit Twitter. I work in Charlotte, CCS. I spend a lot of time in Charlotte. I'm in Mexicanada land right now, so I can trade. You know what I'm saying? Mexicanada land. But my home base is in South Carolina. I'm right under the border in South Carolina. Right under the border. Yeah, Telegram doesn't censor comments. They'll let anything go, which is cool. I'm jumping back and forth on screens, by the way, so I can keep looking at what the comments and stuff. Open order submitted. Now look at this bitch turn around and go on me again. Doesn't look like I'm going to get my order in where I want it, does it? It doesn't. Alright, well, let's play it by ear here. We'll do a smaller one. And we'll do 45, 44. I just don't trust this, man. Just don't trust it to stay up there. I don't. But look at it go. Goodness. 44, 46. 44.60. Let's move on to a different one. Let's find a different one to look at. Oust. Just turning south. Yeah, Rug, I got your text, bro. It's odd because the messages I get sometimes are a little weird, okay? I'll put it that way. I get some weird stuff sometimes, man. But thank you, though. I appreciate it. Alright, so IOST on the 5-minute and the 15-minute look okay. The 15 minutes a little high. Everything looks like it's going to fail to me. That's just what I see. Ontology. XLM. Ooh, look at XLM trying to break the 200 here. Okay, XLM, let's give you a run then. Let's see what you think. XLM. Alright. Give it a second here. I want to make sure because shit could turn negative on me real fast. Cover my bases. Make sure I got points that I want to see. Never mind. This is a fake out right here if I ever seen it. This bitch is hitting the 200, man. I know I got a green cross, but look, it's hitting the 200, man. I can't trade that. Can't do it. Can't do it. No deal. You almost had me. Binance coin? Nope. EOS? Nope. XRP? Damn, I can't do it, man. It's all looking short to me. ZEC doesn't. ZEC's over the 200. Okay. Don't like that. Okay. Alright, ZEC I like. Let's see if we can hit a lick on ZEC right here. I see some convergence going on right there, and I want to try to manipulate that convergence and get in on that when I can. Come on, baby. Load up. Load up, Binance. Load up. Load it up. 15 minute. Yeah, we got room on ZEC here. Bump that leverage up a little bit because I'm just day swinging today. It's going. I can't wait. What about 62? It's bouncing around a little bit here, though, honestly, man. Bouncing around a lot. Alright, I got the order in for 57. Let's see if it catches 57. It's right at it right now. Make that green. Right at 57. Watch it not catch it. Watch it go past it. That'd be my luck. 5 minutes. Damn. Yep, didn't get it. Missed it by just a touch. And Binance is lagging so hard. Look how it's stuttering and lagging and shit. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's doing the same thing on my phone. My internet's killing it right now. That sucks. I didn't want to miss that. Reload. If you can. Oh, my internet's tripping again. See, no internet? What kind of trash, bro? Whatever, dude. It's the Wi-Fi. It's not my internet, though. Oh, hold up. It caught my position. It did catch it. Look, it says I'm up $4. Dude, something's up with the Wi-Fi. It's not my internet because the internet's working great because I got it on the computer here. But it's tripping. I'm up $3. Up $3. Alright, VT. Yeah, VT's killing it. Oh, you're in Apex. All right, sweet. Yeah, man, I don't do bullshit, dude. Let's see. BTC took looking like a good buy on the MACD, crossing up on the 1 minute. Yeah. Come on, ZC, don't fail me now, damn it. Dude, my fucking finance is tripping. Oh, Wi-Fi's working again. And of course my screen faded out. Damn it. Damn it. Come on. What I gotta do is I gotta get another fancier HDMI cable too. So I can do triple screen instead of dual screen, because I got this is 3 right now. I got 2 screens up plus the laptop. So shit's a little hectic, bro. Let's see. I didn't know Keith did this shit when the sun was out. Yeah, I'm just off work, MRH. I had so many vacation days that I had to take them or lose them, so I took some, bro. Hey, what's up, KG? Nah, just doing some swing trading. I hit about 100% on an XRP swing trade, KG. It was a 5-minute, 1 minute, 15-minute charts. I made right at $100 on it, and now I found ZC right here. And as soon as I entered it, it turned down on me. So we'll give this just a little bit here. I'm in the ZC trade now. Let's see if it rolls over on me and screws the pooch on me or what. But the 1 hour looks like it's got a ton of room to go up, and I like this zone right here for it to hit. Let's pull a fib on the 1 hour here. Right here. Also, a new hour just started, and the charts get a little wicky when that happens. So you got in between the 382 and the 50 right here, at least 125 I see this coming up to. But we also have this shit up here together, the 50 and the 100 together up here. Very rarely does it break both those at the same time. There is a pivot line way up here at the 786 too, at 133. It's almost worth it to possibly wait until 133 to take profits, but hard to say. 129 is a convergence point on the 4 hour chart where the 21 moving average is, okay? Could also stop there. 2 hour chart. Same thing, 129 on the 2 hour chart. 30 minutes. 129 on a 30-minute chart. See that? Everything's pointing in one direction. There's lots of stopping points right there. So I'm going to hold this to 129. Okay, I think that's the good spot to put it at. So let's get my screen shared here. If it'll do it. Fucking heifer. Sometimes this laptop is a hussy. That's a southern word for whore. That's something my mom and the neighbors used to say all the time. Oh, that hussy down there. I heard that shit all the time as a kid. It's that hussy down there. Don't you go down there and hang out at that hussy's house. I'm like, what the hell does that even mean? But as a kid, you don't understand, right? So, again, I just talked about it. I like 129 right here to be my take profit line, all right? So let's lock that in. Take profit at 129.06, but I'll do 129 flat. 129. And our stop loss, I'm barely in the profits here, okay? Barely. So I'm not going to set a stop loss line yet because I'm not in the profits. So we'll just set our take profit for the time being. I stand to make $48 if it comes up here and hits this 129. Not too terrible. Not too terrible. All right. All right. Sitting at about a 15 cent profit, $1.40 profit. My Binance is lagging just a little bit here. My internet went out again. Bro, what is your problem? Good news. It's all good. I'm down $1.17 on this screen, but on my phone that has internet, it's at $1.21 profit. So, whatever. We'll give it some time. Failed to load trading view due to internet issues. Whatever. It's cool. I'm watching the screen over here on the left too, so it's all good. Right. This is how I do it, bro. Live trades so everyone can say, hey, what's up, Harvey? Yeah, I would run a hardwire connection, but I'm at the other end of the house right now. So I can't run a hardwire connection. I don't have, I'm at the Wi-Fi and the router in the middle of the house. I have one Ethernet Cat5 cable running in here and another Cat5 cable running to the other end of the house. But I only have one in here, so the house is kind of long. All right, so on the other end of the house, I got another setup for the girlfriend to do streaming in there. And I got this setup in here for where I stream and do trades. She started using this setup in here also because it's better. So I may pull the other one in here also. But yeah, I do a KuCoin all the time, Eric. It just there's less available leverage. But yeah, I do it there too. Works fine. Look at this bitch. I thought this was going to cross positive and it turned down on me. Look at this heifer. It got right to the point and then turned down on me. Bitch. Disrespectful. Alright, I think we're up and running again. Maybe. No, she's still tripping. Oh, there it goes. Oh, she's battling back. There we go. She didn't go down easily. Come on, share. Darby Island, bro, Nick. We found this beautiful island. And the idea is we get 50 people to invest in that bitch. We could all have an island in the Caribbean with investment potential to make passive income. Man, I'm with it, bro. I am with it. We'll project that hoe. There we go. Alright, yep, $1.47 down. So we're waiting on it right now. 284 down. It's about correct now. It's a little laggy, but it's about correct. Let's see if we can bounce off this 8 and move up. Because there's no real restrictions here up to this next fib line to 126. So I'm not going to freak out here. I didn't risk but only $50, so it's okay. I never risk all of it at one time. That's a rule of mine. Never risk all of it at one time. ZC is what I'm on now. Yeah, about $3. Yeah. So I made 100 or whatever, and I made 79 or 80 or whatever, and right now I'm down 5. So $3 right now. It's all good. Give it just a little bit here. I don't like how sharply that KDJ turned down on me right there. That was an asshole move if I've ever seen one. The good news is we're in between fibs here, so it's got support to catch if it wants to. All of our moving averages are lined up correctly, so I should be able to go to a higher time frame. And that higher time frame shows me that we have support down here at like 123.50. So even if it fails off a little bit, there's a chance that it could stay up high right here. I don't like that candle. I'll be straight with you. That's an ugly looking candle. But it's trying to come back. We'll give it some time. You don't panic on any of this shit. When I entered this trade, I already knew I would get out if it hit the 21. Or if it got under the 21, I would get out. Whatever. You just, play it smart. I'm going to get off here at 12:30, okay? I've already been streaming for a while. So the whole point is to get on these streams and make a profit and show you how I do this low time frame, okay? Oh, yeah, Jane. I was about to get off last night anyway, but right as I was about to get off, the fucking internet went out. And I got an email 5 minutes after that, or 15 minutes after that. The service provider emailed me and said, "Oh, by the way, we're doing scheduled maintenance. The internet will be out for XXX." I'm like, "Are you freaking kidding me? What an asshole move! You cut my internet off in the middle of a stream, and then they told me afterwards. That I would be losing internet. I was pissed, man. I was like, that's a dick move if I've ever seen one, bro. Not cool. So anyway, the stream got ended off, and even after it ended, I used my phone and I tethered to my computer so I could get the damn internet running. It just irritated the hell out of me. It made me mad. But I was almost done anyway, so it's okay. Then we just went online and looked at private islands for like 3 hours. How dare you disrespect? Stupid. What's one of your most notable trades to date? That's easy. I'll show you right here. Hold on a minute. I'm at minus $6 right here. So I'm going to get out of this trade. Well, if it'll let me. Hold on a second. Let me pull this up and show you here that I don't always hit home runs. Let's be 100% transparent with everybody, right? I don't always hit home runs. I miss sometimes too. There we go. All right, look, I'm down $6 right here. $6.56. See that? I'm down $6. I don't always hit home runs. $7. So I'm closing this right now. I'd rather not take the risk. I didn't close. And it's stuttering again. Hold on. Reload. Stupid internet, bro. Yeah, right there it says $7 when I'm down, so we're gonna close it. $7. Yeah, it's not gonna get it. It's not gonna get it. I'll just stop. Confirm. Lost a couple bucks on that trade. And the internet's lagging again. Bro, come on. Oh, stupid shit. Hold on. Binance is glitching so hard, dude. It's very, very unhappy right now. Confirm, you bitch. It's not going to work, right? It's trying to fight back and go back positive up here, by the way. It's holding the 8. So. Didn't work. This is one of those things that frustrates me. You can't get things to close and work right sometimes. So at, let's do this, 123.90. 123.90. Let's do 123.8. There we go. I got a stop loss set at 123.8. So if it starts tripping, it'll just kick me out on stop loss, I think. No, didn't work. No internet, disconnected. Oh my god, frustrating. Close. Close. Confirm. There we go. I got it closed. It's this laptop tripping. Anyway, let's show you my most memorable trade. Right. It's frustrating, Eric. I'll get it figured out again, too, dude. It's something I got to work on. Most memorable trade. So, right here. All right. What y'all don't know is I'm about to go reset my fucking router after this is over. Because I got frustrated and pissed off. Right here, I shared this on September 29th, okay? September 29th, the price was... The price was 33 cents, all right? And I said it would go all the way down here to the floor, which was between 23.1 and 21.7. Okay, 23.1, 21.7. That's what I said would happen. That was on September 29th, right? So let's go to Algorand. Let's turn off all the indicators. That was September 29th. Back to daily here. September 29th is right here. That's when I posted that chart. I said 23.1 to 21.7. Look where it hit. 23.1 to 21.7. Look, it went right in the zone where I called it to go to. Not only did it hit this zone, but it did exactly what I said it would do in the description here. I expect to bounce up from there with a long flight to get back to its top ground. Short target 23 to 21.5, long from there. Thanks for looking. From that point right there, right, to the current price, look where it did. I bought down here. I set a buy order for 22.3. I've already sold on my algo. I don't have any more right now. Let's do this date and time one. It works better. I sold at 786. 650%. That was the best trade I've ever made. Okay? 650% positive. That's the best trade this year. That's the best trade this year. That one was worth about 30,000. No, not 30,000. Oh, well, about 30. Yeah, well, maybe 26,000. That was about a $26,000 trade. I bought down here and I rode it all the way up to here and I sold it. So it's about 26 grand. Now that's the biggest one this year. I've also had other ones this year of similar numbers, but not that high, just similar percentages. The best trade I ever made was back here on XRP. This one was this one that I did here. I bought down here at, let's see which day it was. Yeah, it was right in here. So let's say December 18th I bought, and this went up all the way to 34 cents. I made $40,000 on this trade. From here, let's call it there, to up there. That was 80%. All right, but I also had a ton of leverage on this trade. It was the stupidest trade I've ever made. All right, this was the best trade, most profitable wise, that I ever made. All right, made a lick on this bitch. Again, it also cost me the most money because right after that, I lost every dollar of this trade trying to continue to go long based on someone else's charts, and it failed right here, and I lost every bit of it on this drop. This was last March. This is this March. We are not in the same time frame. It's different. What do you recommend for us to study more charting? Well, hold on a minute. What do I recommend? I recommend, first and foremost, we have our own website now. Right here. This is a classroom website we made on Google Slides. Or I made it on Google Slides for everybody to use. So it's all interactive. You just click on the links and it moves you in and out to different stuff, okay? I'm going to share this over here now. Copy. Oh, I can't type over there. Alright, I see what you're doing here. Paste. There we go. Alright, there's the classroom. And what do I say about that? You click on classroom here. This is the interactive website I'm talking about. It kicks you over to a different slide. Then you have instructional videos right here, right? This kicks you to our website. This kicks you to the YouTube channel that you're watching right now, just to a different playlist, okay? I've got all these different instructional videos for you to watch, to learn with. From all the way to simple stuff like setting up your trading view, to your very first strategy of 8 and 21, to the different easy indicators like your moving averages and resistance lines, which I use constantly. All the way up to fancier stuff, to the fib lines and how to pull fib retracement stuff. There's even a section on Binance trading with leverage, how to set your stop loss lines. This is an important video. I even talk about why the market crashed, how software trading happens and why it happens. It's all important. It's all important stuff to learn and pay attention to. It all works really well. You just really need to pay attention to it, and you can learn with this. If you don't care to learn mine, you can go watch Alan Masters on Twitter. Alan Masters is a really good trader. He's pretty damn slick. He charges though, so sorry, you're gonna have to pay. There's other people on YouTube that are gonna tell you stuff that they see just going up. I don't do that. I only do stuff based on technical analysis. If there's not any technical analysis there that, in my opinion, is going to show us what we want to see, then we don't trade it. I don't just look at stuff and say I think this is going up. It's not the way it works. So there's just some easy stuff to do. If you'd like, also we have merchandise for anybody who want to buy it. We got stickers. I got all these stickers in now. I got the blue ones. I got the red ones. I got the green ones. They're all priced in here. I got some new stamps so I can mail shit out. Oh, that's a long reach. Also, yeah, here's the stickers. These are the Mafia stickers, $9 each, and then we got the regular Assassin stickers. The red one is $8. The green one is $7. And if you don't want that, Then we've got back. And we have t-shirts. How about that? All these t-shirt designs are available. You just click on the link you want and it'll kick you over to them. No matter which shirt it is that you like. You like the green skull shirt? Well, I kind of do too, bro. I think it's dope. And there it is. Order from this website. It'll be shipped straight to your damn door. Damn door. It's free. Everything we do here is free. The shirts are not free. If you buy a shirt and I sell it to you, the money gets donated. So, bro, you're doing a good thing. You're giving money to a good cause because we're going to donate this money away soon. All right. Okay. No, Allen Masters is kind of pricey, bro. So, I don't pay for anything. I don't like anybody to pay for anything. Here, it's free. Everything I do is free. I don't charge anything at all. I get pissed off when people charge. I think this knowledge should be free to everyone. Because if we have a smarter space and a more informed space, then people can make more money. I don't like it when people try to hide what they do and pretend that there's some kind of secret messenger that can do special stuff. I'm uncool with that. I don't like that at all. That makes me angry. You're not special. You're just a regular guy like the rest of us. You can just see charts a little better than some people. So I don't like it when people make it out like they're smarter than everybody else. Not cool. And of course ZC is trying to turn up now. After I got out of it. You bitch. Look at it. It's trying to turn back up. Whatever. Oh, you're welcome, Jane. Alright, so look, I'm going to stop here. Hey, what's up, David R? I'm getting off now. I'm going to stop here. I've been on for a little bit. I don't even know how long I've been on here. How long I've been on here. Damn, an hour and a half? That's too long. Alright, I'm going to get off here. Go get me something to eat. I'll kick back for the rest of the day. I'm going to use my phone to trade. Anybody needs anything, message me up. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate the hell out of it. I just want to show you a little bit of swing trading while I had some time. Made some money, lost a little bit of money. That's part of the game. You're not going to hit $100 on every trade. You're not going to hit a home run all the time. Sometimes you just take your nut and move on, right? So, anyway, thank y'all. I appreciate everything. For the people who watched, for the people who hated, I love you, bro. We'll see y'all on the next stream.